Who let the dogs in? I just reacted to a cringe comp, so why not do some more? And before y'all get mad, look, just because it's cringe doesn't mean I don't like it. Come on. I'm just saying cringe in the eyes of normal people, not us weebs. She licked her face off. They don't understand us weebs. Baka! Oi, oi, oi! Baka! I can't do it that good. The normies. They would never get what I go through. I can't even think of a monologue. They made fun of me for not... I just read what you said. They understand. I don't refuse to take showers because I like smelling dirty. I refuse to take showers because it cleans my aura. It reduces my spiritual pressure. If I showered, I would be nothing but a mere shell of myself. They don't get it. Baka! I don't know. I tried. You clean freaks wouldn't understand. Hey, Ollie. Nanabo, nanabo.
What's up, Moko-chan? Why are you so hyper today? Ah, you have a fever! Moko-chan, I know you don't like going to the doctor, right? It's scary, right?
Doctor's such a baka.
What you do, Moko-chan? No!
I like her nose. Baka. Fumoko still shows her W because like the two of them streaming thing. I'm assuming every single stream is both of them, because it's the thing, right? But honestly, it'd be I doubt they'd ever do it because it's giving up the gimmick. But it would be kind of cool if they could stream like with one of them every now and then or something. But I get it. It would ruin the gimmick. Oh wait. I think there is one. I think I just saw one that was one of them, and then the other one was... Oh, unless it was at the same time, I'm not sure. Because I'm looking at the Sword Art Online Fractured Daydream one, and I see one with one, see one with the other. But I don't know if they're at the same time or something. And it was just two POVs. But... I don't know. I guess it would feel incomplete with only one of them. But yeah. Very, very cool. The normies wouldn't get it. Baka.